You are tuned into the 5-Minute Signal, Business and Wealth. I am Vivian Thorne, economic strategist. This is not a finance podcast. This is a blueprint for building and defending your economic fortress. We don't do speculation here. We do strategy. 5 minutes on the clock. Let's get to work. Today is Thursday, February 19th, 2026. As the opening bell echoes across the global exchanges, the superficial headlines focus on the Nasdaq 100 reclaiming the 25,000 level and the rising risk premiums in crude oil due to escalating US-Iran tensions. But while the masses obsess over these geopolitical tremors, a far more significant shift is occurring in the plumbing of the markets. We are seeing a massive rotation into what I call the algorithmic aristocracy. Leading-edge agentic models have moved beyond the laboratory and are now actively managing significant blocks of private equity and public disruptive tech. These are not mere bots. They are autonomous entities capable of handling complex financial maneuvers without human intervention, effectively front-running human intuition in the hunt for yield. Why it matters is simple. The barrier to entry for the alpha is no longer just capital. It is computational sovereignty. As AI agents begin to dominate private market flows, which have grown substantially as investors seek diversification away from volatile public indexes, they are creating a closed-loop ecosystem. These agents can process sentiment, supply chain data, and geopolitical shifts in milliseconds, positioning themselves in undervalued sectors like aerospace and industrial materials before a human trader even finishes their morning coffee. If you are an investor or a trader today, you are no longer competing with other people. You are competing with an optimized, unemotional hierarchy of silicon and code that is designed to capture the upside of the AI revolution while leaving the irrational exuberance to the retail crowd. To defend your fortress and maintain your leverage in this environment, you must execute 3 tactical moves today. 1. Audit your exposure to human-centric advisory services and pivot towards platforms that provide direct access to agentic execution tools. If you aren't using an AI to watch your back, you aren't being watched. 2. Diversify into the physical foundations of this new aristocracy, specifically fiber optics, specialized data center real estate, and power-intensive infrastructure, because the agents cannot exist without the grid. 3. Adopt a zero-vibe investment policy. Stop trading on news sentiment and start monitoring the capital expenditure to revenue ratios of the firms you own to see if they are actually integrating AI or just using it as a marketing buzzword. The era of the intuitive trader is over. The era of the strategic architect has begun. I'm Vivian Thorne. This has been the 5-Minute Signal. Stay sharp. This program is for informational and educational purposes only. This content is not a substitute for professional financial, investment, or legal advice. Always consult with a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.